Sometimes the most beautiful adventures come with consequences. What you're looking at happened after this trip. Dozens of black fly bites, swollen skin, and for me, a swollen ankle on both sides that lasted days. Yet, despite all of that, we do this adventure again in a heartbeat. Because what we discovered deep inside the Sespe wilderness was nothing short of incredible. Today, we're heading into the Sespe wilderness in search of a series of hidden swim holes tucked away among massive boulders and canyon walls. The forest calls for temperatures above the 90 degrees. The water is refreshing 68 degrees, and conditions couldn't be much better for a summer wilderness adventure. So let's get right into it. Hey everybody, we ran into Susie, follower of Hikebytes. So glad we met you.
Yeah. So fun.
And we gave her some last minute tips, but you can find everything you need. You know where to go, guys.
Thanks so much.
Yeah. All right, hope we see more of you out on the trail, guys.
Absolutely. Yeah. Have fun today.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. This is not going to be your typical hike. We do start on a trail, and we have a lizard here showing us which way to go. We're taking the Sespe River Trail, and we're heading into the creek off trail to do some surveying of new swim holes. And you'll recognize some of the names here like Willett Hot Springs and Sespe Hot Springs. We're not going that far, that's almost 20 miles. But we're gonna pass the 2 swim holes we did last time, and guess who's back?
This is why you need chicken rolls.
Yeah, Heidi's back. And we're pushing further into the Sespe wilderness to some hidden swim holes that are only accessible through off-trail creek hiking. And we're going to put together a full-on adventure pack for you guys. It'll have trailhead directions, navigation, custom, Google Earth surveillance, 3D satellites so you can check everything out, and how to use our system. And you can go to hikebytes.com and grab that. But I can't wait to show you these swim holes. They look epic on Google Earth. They have boulders. They look deep. All right, let's head out. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Yeehaw!
It's always so fun when we run into somebody on the trail that's been watching our videos, and it just brings us so much joy that people are getting out there and going on these trails and enjoying nature.
Yeah,
and I just
big motivator.
I know. So Susie was such a sweet person. It was nice meeting you, Susie.
Nice meeting you, Susie. You got a few creek crossings. The scenery through here is really nice. How you feeling about the scenery?
Beautiful.
Isn't it?
I love being outdoors.
Heidi's took a little break for nurturing a few small injuries, but she's back on the trail. I'm so glad to have her back. If you see this sign, you're going the right way. It's about 2 miles in, but I'll put a waypoint and the exact entry point for you guys.
As you'll notice, I'm starting to swat the flies here on the trail. And I don't normally swear, but these flies biting me, they hurt and they were everywhere. And I just started swearing like a truck driver.
Yeah, Heidi got it really bad. I feel so bad for her. And she's still battling it as we're making the video. I don't know if you know, but the black fly has razor-sharp mandibles so they can pierce your skin and suck your blood. The females need it to have the energy to hatch their eggs. So that's what's going on. Be prepared, guys. Maybe even a fly net for the head, long sleeves and pants. If you're a Hikebytes insider, you'll see 2 routes to get here. This is the first one. I prefer it. I'll show you the next one in a minute. There's Heidi making her way down. And we got a beautiful sandy beach. We're gonna get across to the other side this time. In our last video you could check out, I did a little boulder jump there, check the depth. We got across here and get to this side. So it's somewhere around 2 miles to 2.2 miles to hit that junction, but you'll have a waypoint and coordinates. And so Heidi and I are looking for the actual access to the right side. I should flip around. Yeah, to the right side. So these are the views you have in the creek. Beautiful. It looks like about 5 feet deep over there. It's getting out even more and more shallow. I think I found our exit point right by these rocks. So we're making our way down this path. It does have stinging nettles or some kind of weed. Not fun, but it's a very short distance to the creek. hopefully we have somewhat of a trail to get down this creek. All right, I'll give you an update when we know where we're going. So we're making our way across the creek. We're headed to that side by that big rock wall, and then we're gonna hug that all the way around into the creek. Okay guys, someone actually put an arrow right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're gonna head that way. Okay, that's kind of funny. Another arrow. Wow, what a beautiful spot. We're gonna keep heading down, but this is nice. Okay, we can't lie to you, it's pretty rough.
Oh boy.
We did get a nice sandy stretch right there, so that helped a little bit. But we're gonna keep pushing forward and see what we find. My price that I had to pay for this paradise was busted ankles. When you're going through these creeks, bring ankle boots. They're a little awkward, but they'll protect you from when you slip down and hit the edge of a rock. It hurts. There's something promising right around this corner. You hear it?
I do.
We got all this boulder structure. All right,
I do.
All right, let's flip it around. I can hear it. Well, this is what we've come up to. We see the river pouring in here. It's kind of shallow, but we see other things further down. So let's head on down. Oh yeah. I gotta be careful here. It's falling apart. Once you get through this rugged terrain, don't forget some water shoes to hang out by the water. They won't be as bulky and you'll be able to swim.
And here's where the paradise begins.
I think we found our first good swim hole. It's looking good. What do you think, Heidi? Can you tell the depth from here? We got to get closer.
No, I can't tell.
All right, let's go see. If it was deep, boy, those would be some good boulders to jump from.
I know. It's beautiful. This is a beautiful area.
It's time to relax, swim, and cool off. On this 90-degree day, this was the perfect swim hole. Enjoy the views. They're quite tropical feeling, and the water's not cold, about 68 degrees. Heidi was into her floaty, but I was looking for some boulder jumping opportunities. So while she relaxed and enjoyed the rhythm of the river, I started to spy out where I could jump in. And it's quite deep here, about 15 feet deep, right where I jump. But do check time to time because it does change. I went in beforehand with my snorkel and my mask, and I saw that it was safe. Let me show you what it looks like underwater and how the rock surface is uneven at the bottom, so do be alert. And there is a nice, even jumping area right where I jumped off. But check it out for yourself, and check again when you come. This first epic swim hole is just one of many to come, and there's floating opportunities, boulder jumping ops, and much more. Can't wait to show you.
While Sean was checking out the depth and swimming underwater, I was above water enjoying the sunshine.
So, if you want to get here, go to hikebytes.com. We got everything. Coordinates, custom trail, parking lot, driving directions, and more. Check it out.
I could stay here all day.
This place is wild. Well worth a little bouldering. I'm literally standing on a rock. It's about a foot deep. Where Heidi is, it's about 15 feet deep. And look what's behind me. Yeah, this place is pretty special. So we're gonna go a little further down and see what we find. But I'm enjoying this spot. Heidi just said I could stay here all day. I agree. It's so quiet and peaceful here.
Oh, this is so nice.
I think the temperature is Heidi's perfect temperature. I'm guessing 68. 68 degrees. That pool right there looks so deep. No boulder jumping here, but the other one for sure. All right, we're gonna head down to the next one. Heidi's gonna float, aren't you?
Got it.
I'm gonna trek all her backpacks, her trekking poles, everything over there so she can enjoy this. It's been a while since she's been out. She deserves it. Got stuck? Let's get too shallow. Well, while Heidi's stuck, I'll show you what's around here. Oh, this is getting really pretty. And I can tell that is deep. You know, both of us just realized you could start at that big rock down there and you can float all the way through. Highly recommend it. And I think you could float this really deep pool. Let me show you how far it goes. I mean, it goes and goes.
So fun.
Yeah, this is Heidi's spot. The trick is getting all the backpacks. I may have to go back the shallow end, climb this, and kind of follow this rock structure so Heidi can float and meet her over there. I think I'll do that. There goes Heidi. That looks so fun. I wish we would have brought two of them. We do. So now I'm on the back side of that big rock. There is a passage through if you don't want to swim it. Or you can let your partner float and meet them on the other side. Be a lot of fun. Or you could leave your backpacks where we started, float and then come back. And there's no real current. It's very still, so you could float both ways without really dealing with the current. And there's Heidi. Oh, that beach looks so cool right there. Look at this. Just slowly go in. Ooh.
Is it real heavy?
It's heavy sand, but it supports you. Oh, that looks so fun.
You.
The rock formations here, look at that. Yeah, you could boulder jump here for sure. Yeah, these rocks are really nice for climbing. And I'm gonna check the depth, but it looks 8 feet right in there at least. But I'm gonna get a shot from above so you guys can check it out. Let's go check it out. I'm up on these rocks. Wow, you can really get a good perspective here how big this swim hole is. Okay, I don't know if I jumped from this point, but between those two rocks, oh yeah, this is doable. That's got to be 10, 15 feet deep. Easy. Or he could come lay out on that rock right there.
This is the kind of adventure you can't experience from the trail.
And I enjoyed walking along the shore in the shallow waters. It was so refreshing on this 90-degree day.
Wow, nature has a way of just reminding us to slow down.
Time for a little break. this right here, Heidi. This looks like 15, 20 feet deep right here. Oh, this is a really neat area. Oh, I can't even see the bottom here. I gotta see how deep that is. I think it's 20, 30 feet. Yeah. Oh man, I gotta get a good jump. Here we go. Ooh, that is deep.
All the fish came swarming out when you jumped in.
They're like, what the heck is that?
Like tons of them just like out of the
Did they go through your feet?
Yeah, I don't know where they came. I just looked down, there's all these fish.
That was fun.
The river continues on all the way to Bear Creek, and there's 2 more epic boulder jumping opportunities I could see on Google Earth. Go check it out.
Heidi's floating back. Very light pressure upstream. She'll get a good workout.
Yeah? This feels great.
It looks fun.
It is.
And this is what I get to go through. Not so bad. It's all sandy.
This is so fun. I swear this is like the best way to hike down a river
It is.
and go back up. I'm swimming against the current now.
It's not too hard, which is good.
No, it's pretty gentle. Oh, there's the wind.
So if anyone's planning to come here, we've got the adventure pack waiting for all Hikebytes insiders. Just sign up with your email at hikebytes.com and we have everything you need to get here and more. Pack out everything you brought in, and don't forget, until your next adventure, explore nature with us at Hikebytes, one bite at a time. Don't forget to read those trail notes, very important. There are black flies here. Wear long sleeve and long pants to get here. There's a few other tips you need, like trekking poles, dry bags, and a few other things. Oh, don't forget those floaties. But really study before you head out to a backcountry where there is no trail. It takes a lot of planning. All right, see you on the next one. Bye for now.